Hi, welcome to Python and Wine, the only show where you mix a little bit of code, a little bit of wine, and a whole lot of confusion. Seriously, I'm not a professional dev. I sometimes still Google how to do a for loop. But I figured if I could learn it, so can you. There it is. I'm about to do the holy grail of beginner code. Everyone starts with this. But I hate this. You know why? No one ever tells you how to get there. So we're going to rewind it a little bit. So today, we're going to pretend like you don't even have Python, and we're going to install it fresh. We're also going to install Anaconda, as well as my two favorite code editors, Visual Code and PyCharm. So step one. Let's bring up our good old friend Google, and let's Google Python. We're going to go here to python.org. All right, guys. So first thing we're going to do now that we're here is we're going to go to download and download the newest version of Python. All right. In the installer window, the biggest thing is you want to make sure that you check these two boxes down below. Install now. All right, setup was successful. If you want, you can do this. I don't really see the need, so I'm just go ahead and close. So next, we're going to download Anaconda. We're going to do free download. And you have two options. You have Anaconda, and you have Miniconda. Miniconda is just a lightweight version of Anaconda. I recommend just downloading Anaconda. Okay, so once your download is complete, go ahead and run the executable. First window, just go ahead and click Next. I agree. This is your choice. I usually choose just me. The default path to save. Excellent. I strongly recommend that you add Anaconda to your path. I'm not going to register as my default because I like to use vanilla Python. And a clear packages cache upon completion. Whew, about time. So now you're going to click Next. Next. For now, we're not going to launch the navigator in our Welcome to Anaconda. The two code editors that I use are VS Code and PyCharm. I'll have the links down in the description. I'm going to bring VS Code right over to the window. The main thing I want you guys to do is to go to extensions and look for Python. Second link, Python language support, natural extension. I already have it download. I consider this a must when working with Python. Finally, PyCharm. This is what we're going to do most of our coding in. This is what I use the most. Please go ahead and download. Links down in the description. So, all right. So at this point, you installed Python, maybe Anaconda, VS Code, and hopefully PyCharm. At this point, your environment is set up. So next time, we'll write some actual Python, maybe some math, maybe a wine tracker. Who knows? Like, subscribe, and swirl responsibly.